Here now I'm going to change this page title backend, whatever the image. Just I want to change this image. So how can I change? Using this option, change image. Click on this one and go to this upload option. You have to use whenever in your system if images already exist. So here in my system, in particular drive, already I have these images. So now I want to use this image. Click on the image and select this open. So immediately whatever the image you selected, it will display at the page title backend. So by default, whatever this right side, you are seeing this 3 stars. So if you click on this one, means if this option is not enable, so at that time whatever the original image, it will be displayed at the back end, and coming to the front end, whatever the page title you are seeing, that is not readable properly. So that's why if you want to make the adjustment between this page title as well as the back end image, click on this 3 stars. So this is what adjustment with the page title accompanying with the backend image. So now here at the top side, already I mentioned this name, and along with this name, if I want to attach some logo, here you can use this option, add logo. So whenever you click on this add logo, you are seeing these settings in that one, brand images. So here this logo, so here you are seeing upload or select a logo image to add your global navigation bar. So here just you have to click on this upload. So from this one, just I'm using this logo. Click on this image and select this open. Yeah, so now whatever this image you added here, that is the logo image, so simply it displayed the top side. So this is the logo, and here this is a page title home, and backend image, this is regarding to some college premises building. So now coming to the next session. So here this page is related to the information regarding to this person name. So if you wants to add your photo, so here you can attach the photo. So how you can attach your photo as in the form of the images. So coming to this right side, you are seeing these options, insert, pages and themes. So first of all, coming to this themes, click on this themes. So here by default you are getting some default variations like simple. Next one is Aristotle. So now I am clicking one by one. By default it is simple. So now I am clicking on the Aristotle. Just see here, whatever this backend image and page title and whatever the site name, everything will be going to vary with small changes. So now I'm using this Aristotle. So if you are observing the text, some maybe some bold or text font maybe changes. So here Aristotle, and if you are using the theme colors like this one, blue or some green. Okay, so next version is in the themes diplomat. Click on this diplomat, then you are seeing here some of the changes like that. Page title home, font size somewhat increased, as well as the site name is also increased with bold and font. So this is the diplomat theme. And if you are coming to the downside, some more themes like vision. So this is a vision. So whenever you click on this vision, see here in the top side you are seeing some menu bar like this blue color bar. So and coming to the next theme, that is a level. Click on this level. So whenever you click on this level, here you are seeing some different frame, page title frame. So here at the downside you are seeing this yellow menu bar type of. So out of this 5 default themes, simple, Aristotle, Diplomat, and Vision and Level. Now I'm using this Vision. So click on this Vision, and here by default it displays the color at the top side as the blue. If you want to change the color like red or purple or green, so whichever if you want to make it. Otherwise, if you want to make the new custom design, also you can use the different types of the colors are simply it displayed here. So by default here I'm going to use this blue color. So this is the Vision theme. So now you are seeing the site name is associated with the person name, that is belongs to my name. Right now I am using to design my web page, so that's why I gave the name here and along with the college logo here. And this is the page title. At the back end, simply I included this college premises image. So this is the theme. Now coming to the next column, so here just I want to include the image, that is I want to include the photo. So how to include this photo? Here you are seeing right side insert. In this insert, text box, images, embedded, and drive. So click on this image, and here again you are seeing the two options, upload and select. So upload means what? In your system already images exist. Select means what? Select from any other external sources. So already I have in my system some images, so that's why I'm using this upload option. So click on this image and click on this open. Now whatever the image simply you selected, it will be included here. So if you want to make the size like small or large, you can use just by using the drag and drop. And similarly in the vertical also, if you want to make it as a short, also you can do. And if you want to make it as the center or right side, you can just take the cursor upon the above the image and just place the cursor, and wherever if you want to move either the center side or the right side. So now I want to move it to the right end, so that's why simply drag to the right side. And regarding the remaining the left side, just I want to include here some information details. For example, I have to include the educational profile. So here whatever if you want to enter the details, those are in the form of the text. So that's why here text box you have to use. So already the image I placed at the right side. So here in the left side, just I want to use this one. So click on this one, and if you want to double click on this one, you are getting this circle image. So in the center, that is the text. Left side you are seeing the embedded, that is if you want to enter the URL path, website path. And the top side you are seeing this images, and next one is here in the green symbol you are going to see the uploads, and downside you are seeing the from the drive, from the Google Drive if you want to include something. Now I have to use this text box. So here I am going to enter some details like educational profile. So if you are having in the Word format, just open that Word format and just copy paste the text here. So this is the educational profile. And if you want to make it as a bold, so already just highlight this text, and if you want to make it as a bold. Otherwise if you want to make it as the titles, heading, subheading, whichever if you want, so that you can change as per your requirement. If you want to make it as a normal text, so right now I'm using the normal text along with the bold and inclined. So here and various options like bold, italicized, and next the text if you want to make it as alignment left, right, or center. Next one if you want to make some bulletins like dots, or if you want to make the list of the statements in the form of 1 2 3 4. You can use the number, or if you do not want the numbering, you may use this bullet. So like this one. So here simply I included this educational profile details left side. Yeah. So now after completing of this section, just go to the next section. So here some more details I want to include. So for example, here I want to include this IT exposure. So already I have whatever the information details in the Word format. So copy paste from the Word format and go to here, place the cursor here and double click, and immediately you are going to see this circle type of logo along with the embedded and red color images, green color upload and downside drive, and in the center you are seeing this text. So click on this text. So here you have to enter the text. So here this is a IT exposure. Just I want to give the details regarding the IT, some languages or some web technologies which I have knowledge regarding the various languages or web technologies. Just I want to display here. So again, whatever the text related to, if you want to make it as a bold, italics, or center, so all the options are here. You can use these options to make effective on your web page. So I am here, I'm doing some small modifications, like all the text I'm going to be placed in particular alignment. Yeah. So sometimes if you do not want to display all the text at a time, if you want to make it as a collapsible text. So collapsible means what? It is like a hide. Hide means what? Unless and until if you click on that collapsible icon, it won't display the total text. If you click on that collapsible icon, then whatever that hidden text, it will be simply displayed. So let us see with this one. So here one more section I'm going to use here. Which one? If you want to use this collapsive, see in the right side you are seeing this insert. So just here text box images embedded, and the downside you are going to see the various layouts, and coming to the downside here you are going to see this is collapsible text. So now I am entering this collapsible text. Just click on this one, and here it will simply ask you which text if you want to place as the collapsible. So for example, see, yeah, so this is some information related to some programs. So yeah, just whatever the text, simply you can copy paste from your Word document. Yeah, so here, yeah, so just I want to make this heading as a subheading. So that's why click on this option. Like here various options are available. If you want to make the text as a normal text, title or heading or subheading, here now I am going to use this subheading, and along with the bold and along with the italicized. So here, so this is the also the text, but this is the which text? This is a collapsible text. Whenever you are using this collapsible text, immediately at the right side you are going to see this icon or logo. So this is what your collapsible. Once you click on this one, so yeah, so once you click, so now you are seeing this is the downside. So whatever the text right now you entered, it's simply hidden. So if you want to again click on this icon, so now it will display all the details regarding the various programs. So this is what your collapsible text. So right now simply we inserted some image along with the text related to some educational profile information details, and regarding some IT exposure details, and regarding some more program faculty development program details, that is in the form of the collapsible text. So in the first page, that is in the home page, I entered these many details. Now I am going to see how exactly it will be visible to the others who can access my website. So how to do this one? So in the top right side, you are going to see this blue button, that is the publish. So until and unless you make it as the publish, it won't, whatever the website you designed, it won't be accessed by the others. So that's why if you want to display whatever the website you designed to others, just make it as the publish. So click on this publish. So first of all, it asks the corresponding website address name. So here you, as per your requirements, you may give your website name. So here I designed the website of my profile, so that's why here I'm entering like this. So this is the name. So whatever the name, if you entered here, if it will show in the red color text, that is a great address, but it is already taken. So that's why again you have to give another name. So whatever the name you entered here, if this name is available, then immediately at the right side you are going to see this tick mark. So that means whatever the name you gave, that is available for the website. So just below you are seeing this is the total website name, including with this https sites.google.com view oblique and whatever the name you assigned here, so that simply it will be attached here. So this is what, how to assign the website name. And one more option you have to see here, who can view my site. So here you have to see anyone manage. Anyone means what? If you are giving this website to your followers, so for all of the followers, if they want to access your website, so at that time here the option must and should be select like anyone and manage. So by default it will be anyone manage. So now you have to click on this publish. So now whatever you designed your web page and website, so that can be easily accessed to your followers. So now see, go to this top right side, publish, just right side you are going to see this icon. Click on this options icon, and here you are seeing the 4 options. So in this one, go to the third option, that is a view published site. So this is how exactly your followers can see your website, how they see your designed website. So in the top side, your website name along with the logo, and this is your page title, backend image, and whatever the information you simply imported here, so it will be displayed like this. And right side you are seeing this image. So and here in the top down side you are seeing this faculty development programs, and this is, since you made this is the collapsible text, so it won't be visible unless you expand this collapsible text. So click on this one. Now you can see the details regarding the various programs, faculty development programs. Once again, if you collapse, so the whatever the details, program details, simply it will hide. So click on again in the collapsible text, like expand the details. So now you may see this is the collapsible text. So this is what your website, how it can be visible to any others who can access by this website address. sites.google.com view, and here whatever you just know, given the name as your website name, and in that website name which page, this is the home page. So this is the website path, and if you are giving this website path to anyone, they can see the website like this.